What's up, guys? Here's some more content for you. Chris Honda on a Saturday. We are at the Eurodaze car meet. Just showing you what kind of cars are out here. Let me just do a quick interior shot of this VIP 5 Series, man. Holy cow. Look at that thing. I love that desk, that where you could just sit and put drinks on there.
Must be nice going to like Sonic's with this.
Yeah. I don't know if I'd want to eat in there, but man, very nice. Look at that. Whose ever car this is. This is beautiful. VIP treatment 5 Series. And this is just a car meet, guys. It's like a car show over here. And then we're going to pan out to my... Go ahead, it's okay. This 2017 GLE 63S with a Rentec chip running 630 horsepower. Twin turbo. Look at this thing. It's got manufactured airbags in there. AMG airbags. You know, from the factory airbags. We had this lowered before. He just brought it up. Look at the plate number on that. Again, shout out to RTM Tuning, because RTM did this this tuning for this beautiful Mercedes. And we're gonna take a walk and start walking around and seeing what's out here. You're good, man. It's all good. There's the main man over there, Rich, who threw the meat. Thank you, Rich, if you're watching this. There's my buddy Ivan. We saw that before. Got a cool bug. Very nice. We got some really nice... Oh, man. Do a quick walk around of this crazy Audi wagon. I am a big fan of wagons. I know you guys saw my CTS V Cadillac wagon. My buddy Aaron's, very nice. I'm not sure who owns this one, but just want to do a quick walk around. I love that Thule cargo piece up there. It looks like it was maybe wrapped as well to match the color of the car. I believe this might be a wrap as well. Dad wagon, that thing is awesome. Really cool wagon plates, man. Got some VWs, R32s. Not sure what mark GTIs these are. We're just gonna keep going up and down. Show you guys what's going on today. Very nice. TSI. Got a Porsche out here. Very nice Porsche, man. Wow, nice and clean. Convertible Benzes. We got an S6, very clean looking. That is a big car, V8 turbo. Holy cow, this is a nice car, man. Oof, sweet. And then, damn, this thing is brand new. Cool Jetta, two-tone paint. I love the Volvo cargo. That's cool. And the really nice antenna tent there to chill in. You guys know my buddy's GTI right there. Everybody knows my my turd. Here's my turd over there. But forget about my turd. They got some really nice cars here. We just did a walk around of that. Some Beamers over here. Really nice, man. This is nice over here. And I also like this Herbie bug. Hey, how you doing, guys? Hey, forget the coronavirus, right? We're still out. That's right. Still Still, gearhead still coming out, man. We don't give a shit. Cool as hell. Herbie bug. This is a cool beetle, man. Holy cow. Ooh, look at that interior in there. Got a steering wheel, some nice seats. Got the 53 on here with some white letter Michelins. Very nice, man. And we also have a classic convertible. Wow, this is a clean convertible. Filming, look at the interior on that. I don't want to get in the guy's shot. Sorry, man. Hey, good.
Just make sure you don't miss the other, the Russian tank.
Whoa.
Dude, that's...
Is that yours?
No, I wish I brought it.
Wow, that's a cool car, man. Yeah, this one's really sweet. That right there is... MSD ignition. Whose ever bug this is, really nice. Thank you. Hey, Jacob, who brought the this is a one-off car. Cam, are you here in a different car now? Oh, got the wagon. What a beautiful dog. Look at this. Who knows anything about this car? Anybody?
He was saying that this is a Russian tank.
Russian car. What do they call this thing, Cam?
Lada.
It's a what?
Lada.
Lada. Lada. It's a Russian Lada. Oh, it's a Russian tank. Wow, this thing is in... Oh. This thing looks great. Look at this, how clean this is. Look at the little cool shift knob in there, man. It's got a rose in there. I wonder if it's a lady that drives this. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh. Back in the USSR. La Yuma. Wow, I have never seen a car like this before. This is definitely a one-off. I mean, never seen one of these before. I don't know a lot about these cars. Definitely this one. Definitely never seen this before. A Russian Lada 1300. There you go. Showing you guys what's out here. So it's very nice out here. Still that bug, the headlights are really cool. Toxic City. Whoa, who bought the E350 wagon? V8 bi-turbo. Wow, this thing is sick. Man, there's a lot of Benzes today. I did a lot of Benzes today, guys. My buddy Sam's and that GLE just in the front of this turbo, in front of the turbo, sorry, in front of the video, beginning part of this video, it was on there. Just looking around. Hey, ooh, nice Beamer. Yeah, that's a nice 5 Series. Where's your car, John? Oh, which one?
Right there. I still have the V5, but I'm selling it.
Oh, this is a new one. This is a different car.
Yeah, it's a different one.
I was about to say, like, whoa, what model is this one? I'm gonna go do a quick whip around on it, okay? Damn, John rocking the Audis. He ain't no joke. Look at this one. What kind of wheels are on here? NK Performance, very nice. Oh, this one's a manual. Hey, this is John's car. And always got the cool plate numbers.
Wasn't just today. I was like, oh yeah, that's my time.
Really cool, man. Nice. Hey, John, this is a nice car, man. You always got the cool plates too, man. What year is this one?
This one is a 2005.5, my first gen of the B5.
2005.5.
5.5.
2005.5. Never heard of it said that way, but cool. I love the NKs on this thing, man. Anything done to this, or is the other one still faster? The
No,
one.
the B5 is still faster. This is a stage 2 tune APR with downpipes and fast intention exhaust.
He's got a guys. What year was that other one?
It's a 2001 V5.
That
S4.
2001 V5 S4 was really sick, man. That one had the AWDIOS plate number on it, audios. Really cool looking car. John is an Audi guy. I mean, as you can see, this one is sweet. Just running around, do a quick whip around on it. John, thank you.
Yeah, man.
And it's good to see you, man.
You too, man.
Need the elbow again. In the midst of all this crazy Corona shit, we're still out here videoing and coming out and showing some cars. So don't let it beat you guys. We're out. Close.